What is your problem? What? Why are you always barking at me? I just want to take a picture with you. Hey! Talk to me! Don't go! Lazy! Get up! Stop barking! What? I don't want to have fight with you. I just want to take a picture, and then if you don't want, then okay, fine. Just stop barking at me. I talk to you. Get up. Get up. Get up. Where's my baby Cancan? Huh? Where's my baby Cancan? My baby Cancan is so sweet. She loves to take a picture with me. You're not my baby Cancan. You're stubborn. Where's my baby? I talk to you. Look at me. Where's my baby Cancan? Huh? Don't sleep. I talk to you. Where's my baby Cancan? My baby Cancan is so sweet at me. And now, you're always barking at me. Hey! Get up! Get up! I talk to you. What is your problem? Huh? If you don't want to take a picture with me, then okay, fine. You're sleepy? Just tell me that you're so sleepy. That you're sleepy, so I cannot take a picture with you because you're sleepy. Just please stop barking at me when I get a picture with you. I talk to you. Look at me. And then now you're acting like there's nothing wrong with you. You're acting like, I don't know. If you love me, then kiss me. Kiss me, baby. Kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss. 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 I love you. I love you too. Sorry. Okay, now. You may now go to sleep. I love you. Kiss me if you love me. Kiss me if you love me, baby. I love you. Okay, sleep now. Sleep. Sleep now. Sleep now. Oh, I love you.